I'm here at Marriott's Harbour Club in Harbour Town on Hilton Head Island. And as you can tell from the 3 different layers, well, it's winter time here. But maybe if you're planning a trip here in the near future, hopefully the weather will be better for you. Stick around, because I'm going to take you on a tour of this property right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Today we're here at Marriott's Harbour Club on Hilton Head Island. One great thing about this property is its location. It's pretty much right across the street from kind of where you'll find the Harbour Town lighthouse, the shops, some of the restaurants, and of course the harbor is over there too. So it really is a great location here on Hilton Head Island in the Sea Pines plantation. So yeah, we're going to take you on a tour of this property. So let's just head down here. We're going to make our way up through the lobby. We'll check out what they have to offer, pools, maybe some views, and we'll also check out the parking lot or kind of parking garage too. Yeah, so here we are out in front of the Harbour Club. So just some areas you can kind of pull up, park to go in and register. And then when you actually go to your room, they do actually have underground parking. Let's head in there first. We'll take a quick look at that. Then we'll head up through the lobby. Yes, they have some bicycles here. They do have bicycle rentals. See them at the front desk to rent bicycles. And then here's the parking garage, or I guess you just call it under the building parking. So parking is all pretty much under the building here. Plenty of spaces it looks like. So yeah, you can park underneath the buildings. But let's head this way. We're going to make our way up and in through the lobby. They do have an elevator over here, of course, 5 floors. So parking, and then 1 through 5. And as we head over here, we're going to see they do have lots of carts and grocery carts too, so you'll be able to take your luggage and groceries up to the room with ease. So we're going to come out here and we'll be just on the opposite side of where we went in a moment ago. Let's head up these steps and in through the lobby of Harbour Club. So inside the lobby here, we do have the front desk where you'll come and check in and register for your stay. Very, very friendly staff there. And over here in the corner, we have kind of a small coffee bar that they have set up, so you want to come down and enjoy a cup of coffee maybe in the morning, feel free to do that. Plenty of seating in here. Also in the main lobby, there is a small concierge desk over there, though I never did see anybody sitting at it. You have a television in here, fireplace, and also over here in the corner, a business center. Maybe you need to print out some boarding passes for your flight home. But now that we've seen inside the lobby, let's head out these back doors and check out the rest of the resort. Yeah, so that was the lobby there. Now outside the lobby, we do have a billiards table. Looks like some rocking chairs here as well. More of them over here. So kind of really neat area here outside the lobby. And it looks like they also have foosball over here too. And you know what? I think there's also a fitness center down here. So let's go and see if we can try and find that. Yeah, so I think the fitness center is just in here. Let's head in there and just take a quick look at that. Okay, so just inside the door here, we do have a set of restrooms, along with a photo of J. Willard and J.W. Marriott. So if you want to see that, come in and take a look at the fitness center. The fitness center is just behind this door, so I think we need another key to get in there. All right, so just a super small fitness center here. Looks like you have maybe some exercise bikes. There is a bench there. There's an elliptical, a couple of treadmills over here, a number of those different balls and stuff, and they do have towels down there, and I do see some dumbbells back in the corner. I think they actually have headphones up here too, so if you need some headphones, I think you can plug them into the workout machines and then you can recycle them there as well. So not much to the fitness center here, just a really, really small area. So now that we've seen that, let's head back out and we'll take a look at the rest of the property. So now let's head down here. We're going to kind of check out the main section of the resort. All right, so over here it looks like they do have a fire pit, swing bench over there. So it looks like a nice place to come out here, maybe relax in the evenings, or this time of year when it's cold, maybe just about any time of the day to warm up a little. Here, big, huge, giant chess set. It looks like they have a nice little water feature here, so a little bit of a fountain area. And let's just continue making our way around here. They do have a beanbag toss or cornhole, and I believe up here is like a mailbox where you'll find kind of the bean bags or corn-filled bags to play with. Let's just take a look inside of that. Yep, there's your bags to play beanbag toss. Just kind of making our way around here a little bit more. Picnic table here. Again, areas in there is where the parking is, and it looks like we have a lot more bicycles in there too. And then just over here, we have a set of gas grills. So if you've brought some food or maybe you buy some groceries, steaks, pork chops, fish, hamburgers, hot dogs, whatever it might be, take advantage of the gas grills. They're all nice and clean here. Now that we've seen that, let's go through here. We're going to take a look at the pool area. Doesn't look like it was locked, but it looks like you might need your key if that door was completely closed. And right here, we do have a hot tub. I can tell it's a hot tub because there's a lot of steam coming off of that. So a really good size hot tub here at this property. I mean, I don't know how many people that would hold, but it looks like it would hold quite a few. Now, just over here, we have showers and just a small pool area. Nothing too big, nothing too extravagant here at this property, Harbour Club in Harbour Town. So just making our way around here, just a small pool like I mentioned. They also have ping pong up here, so you want to take advantage of that. Feel free to enjoy some ping pong. Yeah, just a look back here at the pool area. Number of loungers. They do have umbrellas, so in the summertime, or at least when it's warmer, this is probably a pretty cool place to hang out. And here they just have kind of a little deck area, more chairs, more loungers. And let's go out here and just take a look out at the water, some of the views you would get from this area here in Harbour Town. Yeah, so views out here. Maybe this is part of Broad Creek, I'm not too sure. Marshy areas, really, really cool views out here from this pool area. So that's it. It's not a very big property, not a whole lot to see, but a few things to do. Great location, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. So head over across the street, check out Harbour Town, shops, dining, restaurants, or even just enjoy the views, or even people watching in Harbour Town. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It does help with these videos. And to see a full 2-bedroom villa tour from here at Marriott's Harbour Club, check out this video right here. You can watch that next. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.